Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in this particular video, what we will be doing is we will be going to build a real-time language detection model with AWS SageMaker, right? So we need two services here. The first service will be the S3, and second is always the SageMaker. So what we'll be doing is that we are just going to create a bucket and let this bucket name will be anything. So for now I'm giving it ML test sample, and I will be unblocking the all public access. Okay, and so let it unblock all the public access. And that's it, right? So let's create it, and then I will be going to SageMaker. So that's the default domain, but we don't need any domain. We will be just creating up the notebook, right? So we're just going to create a notebook instance and let this notebook instance be any of the names. So I can give it like language or lang detection. So let's minimize the resources to T2 medium, and yeah, what I will be doing here is I'm going to create a new role. Create a new role is role wizard creation, and second I'm going to create a new role. Yeah. So a specific S3 bucket, in the context of a specific S3 bucket, what I will be doing, I can just make it any S3 bucket also, right? So yeah, so that's it. So I will just save it, right, and create the notebook instance. Got it. Now what I will be doing is that I will be going back to the bucket. I will be just adding one bucket policy. So I will be going to permission, and then I will be just adding the bucket policy here. Just copy the access, paste it here. Yeah, just save changes, and this is the bucket policy which we have just started, right? So go to the long lang detection, open it, and I think it's creating, so it will take some time in order to create it. Okay, so let's wait for some time while it's getting created. Okay, cool. So we are now back, and the SageMaker notebook is now ready. So what we will be doing is that we will be going to go to this one, then we will be clicking on Open Jupyter Lab. Sorry, one second. Not this one, not this one, not this one. So I will click on Open Jupyter actually. So click on Open Jupyter. Then let's wait for the notebook. So this is the new notebook that what I will be creating in the runtime conda Python 3. And this is what we will be doing now. So importing all the necessary dependencies here. Okay. And this is the the name of the bucket. So the name of the bucket what will be writing is ML test, right? So ML test sample, and I guess that's all right. So we'll click on run. So it will take some time to pop up. So let's wait for the time being. So currently it's in progress, right? Okay, so then after this, what we will be doing is okay. So after this, we will be writing my region name equals to boto 3 dot session in order to get the session. Then I will type underscore region name. So let's hit enter. Module is not callable. Let's run this thing again. Yeah, this S will be capital. Let's run this again. Okay. Then after this, yeah, then we will be running this. Okay, so that has been created. Then we will be getting up the fast text model. So this is how we can get that. And this is the blazing text container. So from the SageMaker predictor, we're just importing three things: serialize, deserialize, and the predictor. So what this predictor will be doing is that they will be initializing and context, right? So this is the language and this is the instance type, and this is the same blazing text container which we have created early, and this is the language identifier predictor. So we will be initializing all of this, right? So let's do that. Hey, so this is done, right? So now what we will be doing is that we will be just creating an array of one particular some language examples, and then we can ask the instances that the predict input. We can just click on that. Okay, so after this, what I will be doing, I will just be assigning this thing to a particular variable. So language prediction identifier predicted dot predict, this will be the input, right? And then I will print the things, right? So just I will be running this cell, and yeah, so now this is something that what we have done. So this is that we have done the label prefix, right? So after this thing we will be iterating from a for loop, and then we can check it out that how does it look like in the context of some sessions, right? Level makes, yes. Now I will be running this cell and take a look. France, this is the probability, DETR, AFDA, these are the probabilities, right? So in order to get the language codes, so let's format this JSON first. Okay. String got identified. I don't know. JSON. Yeah, so this is the thing, right? So a language code in AWS SageMaker notebook. So machine learning uh, language code D. So this D dash bang. So this is the language code, standard language code. So which they have been following, right? So for sure you can take a look at this BECA. In our case it was TR, right? So T capital R. So TR is actually Turkish, right? So we have got one Turkish probability here as well, TR Turkish, right? So that's all, right? So I hope you all have enjoyed this particular video, and in this video we have seen that how we can invoke our AWS SageMaker with the help of language detection, right? So yeah, that's all from my side, and see you in the next video. Thanks all. Bye bye.